You've mixed a mix without no cement in.
Yeah.
What? Hey.
I know there's something.
That could have ended badly. Welcome back. We're going to be sorting this brickwork out today. We've got a Kingspan behind us. Just finishing off these this tubing out. Got a couple of hours today and then we'll start brickwork tomorrow, I think. But yeah, that's the job for now. This is what we did, look, with the doors and everything. It's all drying out and like the black cement now, see how it's grey at the top. So it should all match in eventually. It takes a couple of months for it to dry out properly. Yeah, and then customer's going to finish the roof off, I think. And we did the big steel in, not a big steel, just a opening in with two steels in the last video. If you want to go check them out, like. Perfect. Right, got that on, taped up. We're back in the morning now to brick it up. Just put like a line up there, so put that piece of wood on there. I'll just drag my wood up, my line up, bang that wedge in. That'll save a lot of hassle tomorrow instead of drilling holes out and stuff. I'll just be able to drag line up then. Should be good, right? See you in the morning. Right, another day, another dollar. We're going to start bricking this up. We've got some black dye mixed. Got a few brick out, not a lot, but yeah, we're gonna brick this up today. Yeah, the sun's coming out now. It was pretty cool this morning, but it is gonna warm up to about 5-6 degrees or something. You'll have to start getting some brick around. Yeah. Quite a few in this. Yeah. Keep me hood up for now. Hopefully the sun will come round in a bit. These steps are going to get taken out later. The customer's going to do that. These are them brick as well, you've got to lay them right way around so the little things that are sticking out are facing down. So rain runs off them. I don't know how big these joints are like. They're really big on the other side, so probably going to be the same. I hate winter. Knocking on a bit already because I've sort of waited for it to warm up a little bit so we don't get no freezing. I wondered why. I thought, oh, we're having another edge. My line ain't even unlocked. Yeah. Got one out on the bottom bricks hooked onto the step. Yeah, that's it, look. Right now. Go back a little bit here. It's cold and lonely. What will it be? We think we're going to run out of cement, but we have got a couple more mixers left, so it's going to get us somewhere near the top. Then I'll probably, you could probably pile up then, Tim, or something, and I'll nick for a bag of cement, but we might as well see how far this goes first, aren't we?
Yeah.
Choosing this crappy mix. It's a really big joints at bottom, and sort of not too bad now. I just like squeezing them down with my hand earlier, but back to about 10 mil. No, I don't know if it gets bigger. Oh yeah, about 4 courses up it goes back to 20 mil thick joints. So we might use a bit more gobble than we need. Yeah, this black dye in this, so it goes grey. So what I'll do is I'll show you around there later on. I don't know if I've already showed you on camera, but I'll show you around there, and then when it's drying out, take some it's about 4 weeks or something for it to dry out in this weather, and then it'll go grey, pretty much same as all that up there. So even though it looks black now, it won't be when we've finished. And then once we've done this job, we're pretty much done on it. Because he's going to finish plasterboarding off. I don't know whether he'll want us to do out else, whether we're plastering it or whether he's going to get somebody else in, I don't know. But we will see, we might be back. But once we get this done, I've said what we've priced for, so all else will be extra then. I'm just looking out a tub today because I can't be bothered to set it all up right. We're not going to be far ahead of it. It's not going to take that long, is it?
No.
What we've been at it about 2 hours or something.
Something like that.
What is it, 11 now? When did we start? About 9, 9:15?
No, about 9:30.
Feet are freezing. It's lovely and warm round back. The sun's out round back, isn't it? It's lovely and warm round there.
Yep.
It's just bloody freezing where I am. You can see it little bits of sun, look. There's a tree blocking it. The sun in. I'm always messing about with these joints.
Yep.
Like every brick they've put in, it's like not great. Unless some of them on old build are different sizes a bit, and that's what spreads it out a bit. You know what I mean?
Maybe.
Not that too bad though, is it?
No.
Right, we're out of cement. We've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 course left. No cement. What you're gonna do? You're gonna start pointing bottom up, and then I'll go pick some up now. Yeah. Sword. Yeah. Bag of cement. Get this on, finish it off now. Not doing bad. Get that mix on and then finish 6 course off. La 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 la. Hey.
Oh, Mark, I know why. Don't use it. Don't use it. No cement in it.
I'm fucking joking, man.
No, that's why it's black.
You've mixed a mix without no cement in.
Yeah.
What? Hey.
I know there's something. No,
That could have ended badly.
I was wondering why.
I've got you on video.
I don't give a shit. Hey, listen, at least I realise, but not let you start putting it in first.
So, don't worry lads, he's got the cement in now. Forgot it on that one. I said, bloody hell, that's black. And he just remembered that he hadn't put cement in. It's good job I said that, otherwise it'd have bloody fell down. Are you sure you got cement in that?
See that?
Well, colour looks right now.
I do admit though, at least I realised that I missed cement.
Yeah, when I said it were too black,
Yeah.
thought something if it were going wrong.
Great.
Can't get the camera on now. Oh my god.
Here we go. Great compliments.
That'd have been bad though.
It would have been.
Yeah, that. Do you remember Steve? When I was to it with him years ago when he was, when I first got him when we were doing manholes and the what, was supposed to be for holding water, and he put it on and it was last mix at day, luckily like, and we came back next day and all bricks just peeled off top, about 100 bricks.
Oh wow.
If we'd have filled it up with water, if we wanted to know, we'd have filled it up with water.
Yeah, collapse, wouldn't it?
It'd have been pretty bad, like, till a big water tank. Yeah, he got lucky on last mix at day and he just forgot cement. We just noticed straight away, day after, because it was middle of summer and it dried out that fast. It just all fell to bits and we had to take it down and rebuild it.
Yeah.
So that is it. We've got that done. So it's all done that now. That colour there, look. So you see that with that colour? See how it's gone grey? Same as these corners. Still got some wet black bits in. See, it's grey. So it should match up alright. And that's that. And we've got the lantern on, and he's going to finish fascias and do it inside. And then we've got put the steel in inside as well. So if you missed any of these videos and you want to watch them, have a look. Steels up there and opened all that up, so that's quite a biggish room now. And then we bricked that side up as well. That had 2 windows in. So that's it for this one. We'll be on a different job next time. We might end up back here doing some bits and bobs. You might give me a ring for a day doing something or what have you. But yeah, so that's it for this one, and we'll see you in the next one. I think it's some block work, I think. Right, see you later. Catch you in the next one.